To start option trading on Coinbase, you first need to understand what options are. Options are contracts that give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price. On Coinbase, you can trade options on various cryptocurrencies. First, you need to create a Coinbase account and enable options trading. To do this, go to the Coinbase website or mobile app and log into your account. Then, navigate to the options trading section and follow the prompts to enable it. You may need to verify your identity and agree to the terms and conditions. Next, you need to fund your account with the cryptocurrency you want to trade options on. For example, if you want to trade Bitcoin options, you need to deposit Bitcoin into your Coinbase account. You can do this by navigating to the Accounts page and clicking on the Deposit button. Once your account is funded, you can start trading options. To do this, navigate to the Options Trading page and select the cryptocurrency you want to trade. Then, choose the type of option you want to buy or sell, either a call option or a put option. A call option gives you the right to buy the underlying asset, while a put option gives you the right to sell it. You also need to choose the strike price and expiration date. The strike price is the predetermined price at which you can buy or sell the underlying asset, and the expiration date is the last day you can exercise the option. For example, if you buy a call option to buy Bitcoin at a strike price of $40,000 with an expiration date, in 1 week, you have the right to buy Bitcoin at $40,000 anytime before the expiration date. After selecting the option you want to buy or sell, you need to set the amount you want to trade. This is the number of options contracts you want to buy or sell. Each options contract on Coinbase represents a specific amount of the underlying cryptocurrency. Finally, you need to confirm the trade and review the details. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions of the option, including the strike price, expiration date, and the amount you are trading. Once you confirm the trade, it will be executed, and the option will be added to your account. It is essential to have a solid understanding of options trading and the risks involved before you start trading on Coinbase. Options trading can be complex and may not be suitable for all investors. You should only trade with money you can afford to lose and never use leverage or margin to trade options.